Hi, to change default keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 as a first step, let's install another keyboard. For that, I'm gonna open Play Store, and here I wanna find this Gboard which looks like that. Just take a look at the right side, and now we will need to simply download it. Mine is already installed, and after that we can immediately open it. As you can see, we will need to select Gboard in language and input settings to continue setup, and then select it as our default input method. So let's tap here, enable in the settings, and now we should see the Gboard and the switcher near it, and we will need to tap on it like that. And here in this pop-up window, select OK to enable Gboard. And now, to change default keyboard, we would need to go in the settings. From here, select General Management tab, just scroll on the left side, and then we would need to go in this section which is named Keyboard List and Default. So let's tap on it. And after that, you'll see the list of your installed keyboards. So here I got Gboard enabled already, and now we will need to simply take a look at this upper panel. Here you should see your default keyboard. You'll need to tap on it, and now we got two options. Samsung keyboard, let me show you how it looks. It's a default Samsung keyboard and it's looking like that. So to change it, let's go back in the settings. And here we would need to switch from Samsung keyboard to Gboard by tapping this option. And now let's check the changes. So here we can try out styles. Let's tap next, next, and cancel. And now let me show you the keyboards. So this is how the Gboard looks, which is Google Gboard. You can install any other keyboard according to your preferences, but now you know how to change default keyboard. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.